Hello all 2020 Mahragan participants. This is a demo on how to take your Mahragan practice test. The first step is to click on the Mahragan website, which is stmarkfestivalnashville.com, and this is what it should look like when you first enter this into your browser. Many of you are asking, why do I need to take a practice test? The answer to this very good question is very simple. We're trying to work through all the technical difficulties and make sure that everything is running smoothly prior to your actual test. That way, when you take your test, everything runs smoothly and you have no problems whatsoever. Now, this is what your browser should look like when you first go into St. Mark Festival Nashville. When you take your practice test, you need to click the slot that says Practice Test. And when you're taking your actual test, you need to click the slot that contains your grade level. After that, it will ask you for your code. Your code is what you received when you registered for Mahragan. It's your confirmation email. And it contains of SMF 2020 and then 3 or 4 number characters that pertain specifically to you. After this, you put in your birth date. Now, whether you put in your actual birth date or a fake one when you were registering, you need to put in whatever you registered. Now, when you put all of that together, it goes SMF 2020, the digits that are specifically yours, and then your birth date, okay? And you put in your birth date after the digits with no spaces and with no dashes, as you can see on the screen. Now, please be aware that there's a specific way to write your birth date. You have to have 2 digits between each dash. So, for example, the person here, their birth date was August 31st, 1970. So they wrote 08-31-1970. It's not 8-31-1970. You need the zeros to fit the 2-digit criteria. And this applies for months January through September. Now, after you click continue, your test begins, and please be aware that you should be able to 1. Change your answer, 2. Go back and forth between your test pages, and 3. Review your answers. And please be aware that after you submit your test, you cannot go back to your test. Whatever is submitted is submitted. If you face any difficulties, make sure you tell your servant right away. Thank you all for watching, and good luck.